This is the Displays to Go tabletop assembly video. First, you're going to take the iPad cord, stick the lighting port through the neck, and pull it through the other side. Next, you're going to take the Kingston lock ring and slide the bottom of the cord that plugs into the wall brick. Line up the holes. Flat screw, stick it through the hole of the base into the hole of the neck. Now with a screwdriver, tighten the screw, and then continue with the remainder of the screws. Once all the screws are tightened, grab the other end of the cable and stick it through the base so it comes out the other side. Then take the base and place it on the table. Grab the iPad case, take the lightning port end of the cable, put it through the hole in the middle of the case. Line up the holes to the neck of the assembly, grab the round screw, and start securing. Your kit comes with several pieces of foam for different sizes. Grab the 10.5 or 10.2 pieces of foam and secure them to the bottom and top of the case. Make sure the orientations are correct. Next, you want to grab the iPad, plug the lightning port into the bottom of the iPad, and secure it into the case. As with the foam, this kit comes with several pieces of plastic to cover the iPad. Grab the 10.5 or 10.2, place it on top, and simply close the case and press the lock button to secure it. And that's it.